Hi guys, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. I am loving life freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on multiple platforms, and I also enjoy sharing my journey with you about reselling. Today we are doing an unboxing, so if you're curious to see where I got this box, what came in this box, and where it's going to be selling, do stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited to unbox this. I've ordered from this gal multiple times. She is my main source of sourcing now. I have been in contact with her about when to share her information to share with you guys, because some of you are asking where I'm getting these boxes. The cog is really low and the pieces are good pieces. I've been selling these on different platforms, and I'm very excited about continuing to source from her. I will link her information below now that it's after the first of the year and she has the ability to kind of source more. I will post her information down below so you can go to her website, purchase her boxes. I know that you guys are going to be very pleased with her quality and her pricing, and she's super excited to share her boxes with y'all. So again, I will note them down below. Untamed Thread, thank you so much for sourcing for me at the BINS and sending me these boxes. I so appreciate you. You have no idea. And so again, Untamed Thread, her information will be down below for y'all. Let's dive in and see what came in this particular box. These boxes are boxed of 15 pieces each. I have this box and another one that is ready to go. And I'm already in the process of getting ready to order some more. I sold quite a few of these pieces. Let me bring y'all in because it's kind of doing that fade in and fade out thing, which I don't know why camera does that. She always packages it so nicely. She's got tissue on top. She always includes her card for you guys with the information and everything. She just does a really great job with packaging. Her shipping comes quickly. It usually ships out within a day or two. And depending on USPS, it doesn't take long to receive these boxes. Okay, guys, let's dive right in. This is Madewell size medium. Again, I've already been selling quite a few of these pieces. It's doing very well for me. I'm just so thankful to her for sending me these. I honestly haven't been sourcing anywhere else. I haven't been doing Helpsy Source for weeks now. No other places. I'm mainly sourcing through her for my listings. So I'm so appreciative. This is 100% linen. Rachel Roy, guys, she just has a good eye for things. Beautiful floral top, which is so perfect for spring and summer. Love that. Tahari, Arthur S. Levin, this is the size 8. Look at how beautiful this dress is, guys. Lace dress, and this one is new with tags. Some of her items are pre-loved, and some of them are new with tags. How beautiful that piece is. Again, size 8. Now, if you're interested in any of these pieces, y'all, do give me time to get them listed. It is taking me about a week or week and a half to kind of get through some things, because y'all know I've been going through inventory. Things that were kicked off, completely off of everything, I am relisting. So between those and this, which honestly isn't a lot, but between those and this, I'm doing about 7 listings a day. So yeah, obviously my 5 each day, and then since I don't list on the weekends, I do schedule 2 for Saturday and Sunday, so that's why it's 7 a day, but I'm listing 5 each day. Okay, this is Blank in New York City. This is a size medium. This is just a really nice jean jacket, denim jacket. This is nice, and it kind of has, if you look at the print, it's a beautiful red burgundy. It kind of has a snake print. It's like a very faded black in the background. It's kind of a snake print. Very, very pretty. Okay, let's keep going. Next we have Charter Henry size medium. This is a dress. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect for the season coming up, you guys. Look at how cute this is. And so flowy. It has a belt on it. I'm looking to see if it's full wrap. No, it's just a regular skirt line with a slit, and it does have a lining in it. It does have a slit down, but a very free-flowing, really cute floral dress with a really beautiful ruching up top there. Super cute. Okay, Talbot's Vintage, size 10. This is a denim blazer. Oh, sorry, a denim jacket. And this is button up. So this is the vintage Talbots tag that we typically get when we get vintage on Talbots. Really pretty, nice gray color jacket. And yeah, guys, these are in great condition. This also has pockets. Very nice piece. Next we have Maggie London. I've been selling Maggie London, guys. Maggie London size 10. This is a really nice, this is a great transition piece. Great work transition piece. Look at the style here. It is sleeveless, but you can wear either a cardigan or probably a blazer for this particular piece. Look at how cute that is. And then transition for just spring and summer, wearing this by itself with a cute pair of boots or heels. Great transition piece for this season right now. Next we have Taylor, size 14. And the nice thing too is that, guys, I don't see stains, I don't see holes, tears, and even though they're pre-loved, they're in really good condition, y'all. This is the size 14. The other thing I do like too is that I have varying sizes. I don't just get extra small and small in boxes. I have varying sizes that come in these boxes. It's just been so nice. Really nice mini dress. This one is knit. Really nice piece. Beautiful floral detail on the front there. It does have an accented silver zipper. Very pretty piece. Okay, next is Territory Ahead. This is cotton and rayon blend. Cotton rayon blend, size medium. Oh gosh, I almost wish this was my size. This is cute. Cotton rayon. This is a pretty kind of an orange rust color. Really beautiful piece. Short sleeved, knit, mini dress. Very cute. It's got this button detail up front, and it does button all the way down. You got the top button that shows, and then it does have a couple of hidden snaps right there. Super pretty. Okay, next piece is a Jason Wu for Target. This is a size medium. This is another really nice, this is another perfect transition piece. This is a fit flare mini dress with the belt, accented belt to go with the flowers. And you can wear this with a cardigan, blazer right now, and then transition into spring and summer for just really cute workwear or office or just whatever you want to wear it for. Okay, we definitely have a vintage Talbots piece here, extra small. This is kind of a longer jacket. I'm going to presume this might even be, let me double check the, yes, I thought so. This is part wool vintage jacket. Part wool vintage jacket, very nice piece. Next, wow, it is just chilly up here. Torrid size 3. Torrid size 3. So size 3 I think is what, 2X? Because size 2 was large the other day. 2X. Torrid size 3. Really cute. Zip jacket. Very sweet. It has some really cute ruched 3/4 sleeves. Very cute. I'm trying to remember the name of that print, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. Okay, and then English Factory size small. Another really cute mini dress, guys. Great transition piece again. Put this with a jean jacket and you are good to go. So super cute. English Factory size small. Very cute. Next, we have J. Crew, and it's not factory, regular J. Crew. And this is woven. This is another great workwear piece, guys. Look at the detail on the bottom of this. How cute is that? It's scalloped and it's got those little punch-out holes. Again, put a blazer with this or a sweater, however you choose to do it. It does have the hidden zipper in the back. Really great workwear piece. And again, in the spring and summer, you don't need the blazer or jacket. How cute is that? And the last piece out of 15 is Loft, new with tags, size extra small. This really cute Sherpa vest. Yeah, it was just an open Sherpa vest. Very sweet. Again, and new with tags on that one. Okay, so it's always 15. She's never short of me, but let me double check. 15 pieces as always. She's always so perfect with her numbers. So guys, thank you so much for being here. We are going to get back to the regular schedule. Mondays, Tuesdays, we're going to be doing the sold videos. And we're still going to do the weekly reseller chat every other week. We've got some great information coming up for that. I'm going to start getting those interview schedules that I told you. But I got 2 people waiting to be scheduled. I'll be reaching out to them, getting those scheduled. I'm hoping to have at least 1 interview for January for resellers, guys. And then any other content that we have that comes out. So guys, feel free to subscribe. Give this a thumbs up if seeing what came in this box was a blessing to you. Again, I will put her information down below. And guys, as always, be productive. And we'll see you next time.